The first time I did it was just a couple of months ago in the ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra's tribute to Mr. Ray Valera. And this was the number they picked for me to sing. And I said, my God, I never really listened as hard to the lyrics before. I never took them to heart. And then the other night, for the first time in my whole career, when I did this song, I started crying like a baby. So, but I don't want to do that tonight. But it's a beautiful song by Ray Valera again. But before I sing it, can I just get a hug from my eldest daughter? My baby there, or is she here? Stacy, concert.
Love you, Casey!
Yeah, she's so pretty, 'cause I'm her mommy. Love you, baby, thank you. Because this song was the theme song of one of the best movies I ever did with her father, with Gabby. And when we did this movie, we were very close friends. And, well, very close. Yeah, and we had been separated already for several years when we did this movie, and then all of a sudden we became very close. And I thought, we both thought that he met someone else. Nakadalawang sibak na to. No, but it's a beautiful song, and I'd like to do it for you. When you look back on your life, diba? Just go on, my love. You know, when you get married, you don't really expect that it will end.
Yes.
Everybody who's separated knows that, right?
Right!
You want it to last forever. I was that kind of girl. And when I look back at my life, and all the relationships I went through after that marriage ended, I feel if it had succeeded, it could have saved me a lot of tears and heartache. And I would have had more Caseys. But I have a wonderful husband now. We will have been married 20 years in April.
Wow!
Such a good man. And I have 4 children, 3 girls and a little boy. And her papa has his own family now. But we're still the cutest family he's ever had. Joke lang, Gabby. So, you wonder why. Sometimes you wonder why it works between you and your husband now. And it works between him and his spouse now. And then you ask God why it didn't work between you. So sometimes, you get into those emotional moments, and that's what happened to me the other night. So I'm gonna do this tonight with all the strength I can muster. This is for you. Tinitikis pa rin ang isa Maghihirap ko at sana'y pakinggan ang pag-iusap ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang yaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo na lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari bang sana'y patawarin mo ako? Tayong dalawa ay sa isa't isa. Di na matitiis paghihirap ng dibdib. Sana'y natatamnan ang paghihirap ko at sana'y pakinggan ang pag-iusap ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang yaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo na lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Hanggang ngayon di alam ba't ako'y nasaktan mo. Tayong dalawa ay isa't isa. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang yaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo na lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Alam mo bang matagal napatawad na kita. Tayong dalawa tayong dalawa tayong dalawa. Ay sa isa.